Hello there. Who I am is not important, as I am here to discuss my product. It has come to my attention that due to the recent political debates, that the integrity of my product is in question. I work really hard to ensure that it is the purest form. Cocaine gives you confidence. You can talk about everything from political science, chemistry, foreign affairs, and even if you don't know the answer, cocaine gives you the answer. E equals mc square. ¿Sí? ¿Ves? Mira, trabaja bien. But I will tell you, one of the side effects has always been sniffles. Well, now, no more. Me and my scientists have worked day and night to eliminate the sniffles. No longer will you need the nasal spray and tell people you have allergies. Now, my product, sniffle free. And that's a great concept, a great idea. So now that my cocaine will be suitable for presidential candidates. But as you now know, it's also suitable for princesses. Thanks to her stunning endorsement, with now every bag of cocaine you buy, you will get the now rare, discontinued Funko Pop of Slave Leia, Princess Leia. So because she is such a fan, we decided to team them up, because they are now discontinued due to the political correctness of Disney. The scenes have been cut, but now they have been cut with cocaine. Gracias, princesa. So the new product you need to ask for is Princesa Leia. So thank you. I apologize for the misunderstandings, but I hope you try the new sniffle-free cocaine. Guaranteed, no sniffles, or your money back. If you can find us.